shape I tend to go for is a nice sharp square shape. So I just take some scissors and cut straight along the tip. I use a metal foil, and as you can see I'm going in on the side walls, keeping things even on both sides. I'm keeping the foil straight against the side of the nail tip. So I'm not going in with my foil like that, or like that. I'm going in with my foil, just pushing back that skin and then twisting slightly, so when I foil it's nice and straight. I'm using my thumb to pull back the skin on my pointy finger so that I don't catch my skin with my foil. We're not going to go straight like that and foil because you can cut into the skin on the finger. We're going to go slightly underneath that tip and curve the foil in and then foil. So that's all I do to keep each side nice and straight. I always foil each side equal amounts so that they're both evenly as straight as each other. For the free edge, the scissors have made it quite straight already, but I like to get it sharper than that. So what I do is I hold my foil flat like this, as you can see, and then I just file up and down, making sure that I keep my foil straight. Don't do it this way if you're filing your own nails because you can't hold your finger still. So if you look from the side, you can see the file's going to wiggle that tip and it's going to feel uncomfortable on your nail. Do it facing you, holding your finger with your other two fingers and just file up. Now the tip won't wiggle at all. So that's how I file my nails into a sharp square shape. Got nice straight side walls and we've still got that C curve. And as you can see, the tip is nice and flush to the nail and there's no lifting of the tip as we filed.